Right. Welcome back, you guys. We have been working hard during the commercial break, and I think Sophia and I and John now have a concept of what we're making.
Yes.
So, Sophia, you are very hard at work and focused. What's going on?
I literally, when we do these, I forget I'm on TV and I like stop talking because I'm so dialed into what I'm doing. So I'm making a face of a man or a woman. We'll see how masculine or effeminate these features turn out. But yeah, just a face, I think.
Okay.
Very good. I'm working on a mug since I talked about pinching, that sort of technique. And right now I'm actually going to attach the handle for this mug. And what I'm doing is I'm scoring the side of the mug a little bit, okay? And then I'm going to, attach, I'm going to score the end of the handle and then attach that to where I scored on the mug. And then apply a little bit of water, and this would be slip too. Now slip is clay and water mixed together, and it acts as a sort of glue with what you're working on. And I noticed you already brought some water in and you were working with it that way to kind of smooth out some areas.
Yep.
And, so that's really great. I must say you guys have such great instincts. And that's what I let people know. It's like, just because you don't know every step doesn't mean you don't know how to work on this.
Yeah.
Right? Or I guess what I say is, just because you don't know everything doesn't mean you don't know anything.
Yeah.
All right?
That's a good point.
Yes, and if someone starts telling you you don't know anything, right? Or you don't know, how to do something, just because you don't know, I don't know, the third step, the fourth step, don't listen to them.
Yeah.
They're selling something, okay? And so
Great life, you
just
guys.
keep working on what you're working on, because also that's how you learn. There we go. So this would be slip.
Okay.
Clay and water mixed together, but since this is air dry clay, I'm just going to work with water.
Okay,
It's
gotcha.
going to behave a little differently. But yeah, with the sort of proper clay or traditional clay, like on a wheel, you'd be working with the sort of slip. And I could mix something together. I could take some of this and put it in there and mix it together.
This water is actually solving all my problems I was having.
And so it ought to be pretty okay. There we go.
So would you recommend kind of using that water and smoothing things out before you let it air dry?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Like to get rid of the cracks and things?
Because
Okay, gotcha.
after it dries, that's going to be much harder to kind of smooth out because it's dried that way.
Okay.
I
see.
Yeah.
I am just plugging away
Good.
on this.
Yeah, a lot of
I
people
am
say they
too.
love like these segments on the show. So thank you so much for allowing me to join you.
Yay.
And I don't really plug anything besides just go home and be creative.
Yeah.
Just go ahead and keep exploring and all of that. But I tell people I come on the show just to help you guys relax. Just to have some fun.
It is. It's a nice break for us.
To totally forget that the cameras are there. Hopefully that's really nice.
I definitely do.
Absolutely. I love it.
And I must say, you guys do an excellent job.
Thank you.
Because you don't show people during hot dog eating competitions.
Yeah. That's the only reason he watches.
Yes, that's it.
Okay, I have been hard at work trying to make a jewelry tray or coaster of sorts.
I got my handle on the mug right here, and I
That looks
pinched this.
great.
Yeah, I think it's great. There we go. Of course, I'm supposed to. Here we go. And I tell people that, like I've said that on the show too. It's kind of like, I'm supposed to encourage you because that's sort of my job, or that's how I'm supposed to guide you a little bit. But actually, objectively, factually, that's really great.
Yeah.
I'm not just giving you an opinion. I'm looking at what your goal was, thinking about what your goal was, and then giving you feedback.
I love it.
Yes, and I find that really helps people out. Yeah, they like the validation of, oh, that's cool, or they think when someone says, oh, that's awful, that's feedback. And no, that's just an opinion. That's someone's emotional response to something, But yeah, that can be helpful in certain instances with just that one person.
Right, and kind of like you were mentioning, a lot of people are doing these at home. We love to receive photos of you guys.
Yes, that's our favorite. When people send their crafts that they do kind of inspired by ours or put their little own twist on it.
Yes.
Right.
So I'm adding some, there we go, I'm carving a bit, or I'm adding some texture here. Kind of looks like a heart shape with the tool that I'm working with. See, I'm
Nice.
pressing right there.
So
Awesome.
is there a
So I'm
thing?
just adding a
Oh,
little-
I like
Yeah,
that.
so you can just take some of these tools and you can just add a sort of texture, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'll hold it up in a moment.
Is it possible to be adding too much water?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, you can add too much water. Just like with paint, you can dilute paint, you can dilute clay, it'll become too watery and it won't hold, the sort of shape that you've got, or it won't work with you or cooperate maybe anymore.
Okay.
I don't know if you'll be able to see my little friend at
That
all,
looks so good.
but it is a face. Do we see that?
I see it. The nose you did great on. I
Thank
see
you.
the nostrils nice and clear.
Yes, great features.
I stuck a little a little thing in the nose.
Oh, you did?
To make it look like it had nostrils.
Oh, that's nice. And I know there's a tool
you.
here. Maybe this one
Yeah.
might help out too.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah.
Love that.
There we go.
All right, so
There.
we have about 30 seconds left
Oh,
with
okay.
some final details on our project.
Yep.
Of course, we'll do a reveal for you guys.
please do.
Sophia kind of already did hers.
Yes.
So I guess I'll pick mine up now, but very simple, a little bit
Oh,
floppy
cute. I like
jewelry
it.
tray.
Oh, that's great.
And used a little bit of the tool to do some texture pieces,
Fun.
but
Yep.
let's see the mug.
Yep, and then I got the mug right here. There
Cute.
we
It's a
go.
little teacup.
Am I supposed to mug with the mug? Or am I voguing? Is that?
Perfect for an espresso shot.
Yes, I think so. Yes.
Amazing. Well, this was
Fun.
so much fun. Thank you so much for bringing this
yes,
in.
yes. Thank you for requesting it.
Yes,
You know?
appreciate it. So where can we get in touch with you if we want to reach out about any like private art lessons or maybe just follow you on social media?
Yeah, definitely. So I'm on social media at Really John David because I'm Really John David. Hi, go ahead and say hello on the street and you'll get this.
Yes.
Yeah, and so with community education, more at community education, I teach there. I just did that, And so, yeah, people can reach out, email to johndavidberdahl@gmail.com.
Yes.
Yeah. So I teach privately and in classrooms.
Amazing.
Yes.
Well, I'm going to keep perfecting this in the commercial break because I want to take this home today. But you guys at home, don't go anywhere because we've got lots more North Dakota today right after this short break.